Hello! To change straps for your Xiaomi Smart Band 9 Active, you are not changing just these silicone bands, but you're also changing this plastic case. And to do this, you first have to push your device, this little, I don't know how to call it, but you simply have to push this little computer actually from the band, like from here to the bottom. And be careful, because when you're doing it for the first time, you have to be careful, because it might actually go out with the big strength. So you have to grab it kind of like this and press with your fingers from the top, and as you can see, it is coming out. And you have to be careful so nothing would damage. Alright, as you can see, we have the device out and we have the strap right here. So when you have a different strap for your device, you simply have to insert it from the bottom of your strap, just like this, and basically that's how you do it. So thank you for watching, and please subscribe.